गोंय सरकार भलायकी सेवा संचालनालय नॅशनल व्हेक्टर बोर्न डिजीज कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम हांच्या जोड पालवान पणजेच्या इन्स्टिट्यूट मेनेजीस ब्रांगाजा हॉलांत वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे घडोवन हाडलो. लोकां मदीं मलेरिया विशीं जागृताय निर्माण करप आनी मलेरियाचें प्रमाण कमी करपाक हातभार लावप हो कार्यावळीचो मुखेल हेत. पळयात.
National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, Directorate of Health Services, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all present for this August gathering. This is the annual function and I am pleased at the enthusiasm shown by attending in large number, because last moment I had to change the hall from the smaller hall to the bigger hall and I was worried about the gathering. But I am very pleased that all of you all have come to attend this August gathering, which is your gathering of course, because you are the one on whose basis we are aiming for malaria elimination. This is a positive sign for creating awareness regarding achieving our target for malaria elimination in the state of Goa. I would also state that we have received an immense response for our poster and reel competition. All are so good, deserving prize. If I could, I would have given prize to all of them. The poster and reels depict the awareness already present among the community.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, श्वेता गांवकर आनी निखिल जल्मी.